everyone, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog we will be taking you to Sultan Ahmed and Hagia Sophia. Both of them are in Sultan Ahmed area, so we're going first to the Blue Mosque and then we are going to Hagia Sophia. They are both across each other, so that's the Blue Mosque and this is Hagia Sophia. And first I will go inside to explore the Blue Mosque, and after that I will be going to Hagia Sophia, and then I will be going to Grand Bazar and Spice Bazaar. So yeah, we got a lot to do today, so keep watching this video. Well, the first thing I like to take once I arrive here is to take some simit bagels. One simit please. Chocolate. So I'm just gonna prepare it with some chocolate, Nutella. Today I'm in the mood to have some sweets. And I'm gonna have it. After that I will be going to the Blue Mosque, which is just right in front of me. But first I will enjoy it. Oh, thank you. How much? 5 there. Thank you, chocolate. So yeah, it costs only 5 lira, and I'm gonna be sitting right here eating the simit and enjoying the view. It is so good. So simit is basically bagel with sesame. You can have it plain and you can have it with the chocolate Nutella or some cheese also. They can do it with that. So yeah, start with is the Blue Mosque, which is right behind me. They gave me to cover the head with, because you cannot enter with a mini dress or mini skirts. So if you're not wearing, they will give you a long skirt and a scarf. It doesn't look fancy, but it's fine. The Blue Mosque from the out is under construction, so let's go inside and have a look what we can find. Visiting the Blue Mosque. It was nice, I like it, and now I'm going to Hagia Sophia, which is on the other side. So today I've got to do 2 things in one, or basically it's going to be like 3 in 1. We're going to the Grand Bazar soon. Thank you. So I had to buy a head cover because you cannot go inside without covering the head. It's a scarf to cover my head with it. I bought for 5 lira. So I'm recommending for you when you come here, just bring a scarf with you and wear something long like trousers or long dress or long skirt. It's much better for you. So on Sultan Ahmed it was for free, but here we have to pay for it. And the surprise that Hagia Sophia, they make it a mosque now. Before it was not a mosque. And I'm surprised because before when I came here I had to pay for the entrance, and now there is no entrance and you have to be covered and it's a mosque. So let's see how much they changed it from the inside. Grand Bazaar. I'm currently in the Grand Bazaar of Istanbul. Is one of the largest and oldest covered market in the world, with 61 covered streets and over 4,000 shops. Yes, you heard it right, over 4,000 shops covered here in the Grand Bazaar. It's huge, it's so big, and you can find everything in here. And I was like going around for super long time, and I just made a stop for myself just to have a coffee and some baklava, of course. This is my favorite thing to do here in Istanbul. It's stuffed with pistachio and honey. So yeah, I'm gonna have a break in here, and after that I will continue to walk around the Grand Bazaar, and after that we'll go to the spice market. Hello. Hi, good, thanks. It looks so fantastic.
Yeah, like
I think they do have also love tea. Everything is related to love here in Turkey. Can you believe it? All of those are tea. You've got love tea, I don't know, slim tea, lavender tea, mixed fruits tea. There's a lot of crazy mix. And in here also we'll find dry. Finally, I managed to come out of this Grand Bazaar and the Spice Bazaar. It was so crowded and a lot of people. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the tour with me, and we'll see you soon in another videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to see more videos. Thank you, and see you again.